Fall to Winter Couture, how to style high-end pieces for the cold season. The crisp air, the falling leaves, the first snowflakes. It's that time of year again when we transition from the cozy warmth of fall to the chic chill of winter. But when it comes to high-end fashion, how do you stay stylish, luxurious, and warm without sacrificing that couture flair? Welcome to Fall to Winter Couture, how to style high-end pieces for the cold season. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury fashion, exploring timeless pieces, styling secrets, and layering techniques to elevate your wardrobe from fall to winter. Whether you're a lover of classic elegance or modern chic, we've got something for every fashionista out there. Let's get started. The foundation of Fall to Winter Couture. First things first, let's talk about the foundation of any high-end fall to winter wardrobe. Think of this as building your canvas before you paint your masterpiece. The key here is all about quality basics. You want timeless pieces that can easily transition from one season to the next. A classic camel coat, a perfectly tailored pair of wool trousers, a luxurious cashmere sweater. These are your go-to essentials. But how do you style them to make a statement? Let's break it down. Take, for example, the classic camel coat. Pair it with a monochromatic outfit underneath for a sleek, elongated look. Add a statement belt, and suddenly, you've taken a basic piece and turned it into a high-fashion statement. Don't forget about the power of textures. A soft cashmere sweater paired with structured wool trousers creates a rich, luxurious look that feels effortless yet put together. Statement outerwear for winter glam. When the temperatures drop, your outerwear isn't just a necessity, it's the centerpiece of your outfit. This season, it's all about statement outerwear. Think oversized faux fur, structured trench coats with dramatic collars, and velvet blazers that scream sophistication. But how do you wear these bold pieces without feeling overwhelmed? The secret lies in balancing your proportions. If you're opting for an oversized faux fur coat, keep the rest of your outfit sleek and fitted. Pair a velvet blazer with high-waisted trousers for that tailored, sophisticated look. And remember, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Choose pieces that not only flatter your body, but also make you feel confident and empowered. Layering like a pro. Now, let's move on to the art of layering. The right layers can turn a simple outfit into something extraordinary. One of the biggest trends this season is layering silk slip dresses over turtlenecks. It's the perfect blend of sexy and sophisticated. You can also play around with textures. Think a chunky knit cardigan over a sleek satin blouse, or a leather jacket paired with a soft cashmere scarf. The key is to mix and match textures to create a look that's visually interesting and rich. Accessories that elevate. No outfit is complete without the right accessories, and this season, it's all about going bold. Picture this: a pair of buttery leather gloves, a statement necklace peeking out from underneath your turtleneck, or a silk scarf draped effortlessly around your neck. The beauty of accessories is that they can transform your outfit in seconds. So, don't be afraid to experiment. Mix vintage pieces with modern elements to create a look that's uniquely yours. Footwear favorites for the cold season. Let's not forget about footwear. Whether you're into sleek ankle boots, thigh-high stunners, or classic pumps, the right shoes can make or break your outfit. This season, it's all about balancing comfort with style. Opt for classic black leather boots for a timeless look, or go bold with statement heels that add a pop of color to your winter wardrobe. Evening glam for holiday parties. And for those special holiday occasions, you can't go wrong with a touch of glam. A velvet dress, a sequin blazer, or a satin skirt can elevate your look for those winter soirees. Pair with strappy heels and delicate jewelry to keep it elegant yet festive. Fashion tips to stay warm yet chic. Staying chic doesn't mean you have to freeze. Layer thermal tops under your stylish pieces, opt for fleece-lined leggings, and don't forget the magic of high-quality outerwear. Staying warm has never looked this good. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to styling high-end pieces from fall to winter. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to take risks and make each look your own. Whether you're heading to the office, meeting friends for coffee, or attending a winter gala, there's a look for every occasion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fashion tips and inspiration. Happy styling, and stay fabulous this season!